In this week's episode, Elon Musk confirmed several changes to the Optimus 3 project, including a specific production timeline and the reasons why Tesla couldn't launch Optimus 3 in Q1 as planned. Tesla was once the only company leading the electric vehicle sector, and Elon Musk had maintained that Tesla would also lead in robotics and autonomous driving, but the company is now facing real competition. As previously revealed, the production lines for the Model S and Model X will be phased out and replaced with an Optimus 3 production line, which Elon Musk described as extremely fast to assemble. Meanwhile, the Cybercab robot taxi project has also made significant progress, with production lines already underway and the number of Cybercabs increasing, although the pace remains slow. Finally, Tesla is set to acquire an AI hardware company for up to $2 billion. Discover what's happening with Tesla right now. During Tesla's Q1 2026 earnings call, one of the most attention-grabbing topics wasn't electric vehicle sales, profit margins, or new models. It was the key confirmations from Elon Musk about Tesla Optimus 3. Tesla is entering a completely new phase, with Optimus shifting from a technology showcase project to a massive industrial-scale plan. This is an image of the site believed to be where the new Optimus factory will be built at Giga Texas. During the earnings call, Elon Musk confirmed that Tesla Optimus V3 is now fully functional. In other words, the core engineering platform of this version has reached a level of stability sufficient for operation. What remains is mostly related to aesthetics, design refinements, and finishing the exterior, and especially noteworthy detail. For Optimus, this means Tesla has overcome the hardest challenges, such as mechanical systems, electronics, control software, mobility, and overall system stability, reaching a usable threshold. For humanoid robots, this represents a much bigger leap than for smartphones or cars due to the far greater number of complex technical variables involved. Elon Musk also confirmed that Tesla does not want to showcase Optimus V3 too early out of concern that competitors could copy its design and technology. This aligns with Tesla's approach in many previous projects, limiting disclosures until close to the production phase. According to him, the most suitable time for the reveal will likely be in late July or August this year, close to the start of mass production. This also suggests that the black-suited Optimus units seen previously are not Optimus 3. The real design may be hidden underneath those coverings. If this timeline holds, the world may be just a few months away from seeing the most complete version of Optimus ever built. But even more important than the launch date is the production location. Elon Musk revealed that the old Tesla Model S and Tesla Model X production lines at the Tesla Fremont factory are gradually being dismantled to make room for the first-generation Optimus production line. The final Model S and Model X units are expected to be completed in early May. This is an extremely powerful symbolic signal. For many years, Fremont has been closely associated with Tesla's flagship vehicle lineup. If Tesla is willing to repurpose space once used for premium vehicles for robot production, it suggests the company believes the future value of Optimus is significant enough to replace part of its traditional automotive operations. No company easily sacrifices existing production capacity without seeing a greater opportunity ahead. Elon Musk has previously set an ambitious goal of producing 1 million Optimus units per year using 2 production lines at Fremont and Giga Texas. To be honest, it's not easy for anyone to be convinced by that number, especially when it comes from someone as optimistic as Elon Musk. However, it quietly demonstrates that Tesla is genuinely serious about Optimus. They are not planning to produce just a few thousand robots for demonstrations or limited trials. They are designing infrastructure from the outset at an industrial scale. When asked about the expected Optimus production rate by the end of this year and the initial targets, Elon Musk admitted he is not yet certain how fast production will ramp up. This actually adds credibility compared to overly perfect promises.